up, you guys? It's your girl PrettyKayC, and I'm back with another video. So I know it's been a while. When I mean a while, I mean a very long time. So yeah, but you know we're gonna do it right or whatever. I always do it right. And before y'all even say anything, yes, I got the lights off because I'm liking how it's looking with this light. I love it. So we're gonna try this or whatever. But before we get into the video, I'm gonna need y'all to press that like button and subscribe. And yeah, we're just gonna get right into the video. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to go into my crease with this light green right here. And I actually got this palette from Target. Don't really cost that much. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And I probably should have got a clip to clip my hair and move it out the way. Okay, can y'all see it? You can see it? All right. Okay. Now that we did that or whatever, gonna go back into the crease again. I'm gonna pack on this palette. These are actually all eyeshadows from MAC, but you know you can make your own little palette. So yeah, go try that out. So we're gonna go and use this dark green. I really should have got a clip. Now y'all finna talk about me, but I'm gonna have to stop real quick because I actually forgot to do something. Like, how you forgot to do that? Girl, don't act like you don't be forgetting. It is okay. It's not that big of a deal. We still gonna keep pushing though, right? We gonna keep pushing. Okay? So alright, y'all see that? So now I'm still gonna go back this and still blend some more. Okay, so now we are going to go and do a cut crease. I'm sorry y'all if it looked like my camera stopped, it did, but like I always say, we're gonna keep it moving. Oh my bad, I'm sorry, I'm tripping. We're gonna go in with this HD corrector. I'm gonna use this to do my cut crease. I'm gonna stop it right there. I know it probably don't look right, but I'm gonna actually go back in with another green. So I bought this beautiful eyeshadow palette and gonna be going in the corner with this beautiful dark green right there. So now I am going to go where I did the cut crease. I am now going to go in with this very light green. I love that color. Okay, it's giving me green apple vibes. Yeah, I'm sorry, my phone's stopping again. My best friend keep calling me. We playing phone tag. Can y'all see that? Like, y'all see how that look? I'm loving it, y'all. Now, that's how it, you see, that's how it look. Or whatever. So now we're gonna go in and we're just gonna take this off. Turned out okay. Usually put this on before you start with the eyeshadow, but it's okay. And I kind of cut it too short, but that's okay too. That is okay. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do, yeah, I know it seems like I keep pausing this video. I promise I won't pause. I'm gonna try my best not to pause again. She keep calling. Love you, best friend. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with this NARS concealer. Actually just started using it, but I really like it. Use it to cover up my spots before I put on my foundation. I really should have gotten a clip, but we gonna keep pushing through. That's what we do, boo. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what I'm saying. So I ain't gotta tell y'all what I'm saying. This, y'all, this is not the sponge that I thought I had, what I thought it was. But it's gonna have to do, and I usually do, wet it a little bit before I use it. This is definitely not the sponge I usually use. I usually have like a little dent in it, but it's gonna have to do. Yeah, I'm finna say I feel like it's been forever since I've recorded, but it really has been forever. So, you know, but it's so fun. I just feel like, why did I stop? I know why I stopped. I had a lot going on, but I'm back though. I'm back. So that's all that matters, you know? All right, so now I'm actually gonna go with my foundation. I like to use the Fenty Beauty. I love this foundation. So please go check it out. If you don't use this, you need to go check this out. It's the best. My roommate. I do miss school. So yeah. Gotta get that forehead. Gotta get all up in there, girly. All up in there. Get all up in there. All up in there. Look. Like, girl, what? Like, what? Y'all don't be talking about my sideburns. I know. I got hair for days. Hair for days, girl. Hair for days, girl. I go a little bit down, but I really don't be trying to get too much on my clothes, because sometimes I usually wait to put on my makeup after, before I put on my clothes, because I don't know, I just don't be wanting to get any kind of eyeshadow or foundation spilled onto my clothes before I even got dressed. But you know, even putting on the clothes after you apply the foundation, you still get on your clothes. So I really don't be trying to put too much on my neck, but you still want to cover it up. You still want to cover it up. So all right, y'all, so now I'm gonna go in with the HD corrector. Yeah, I use this as a concealer. I like to do the triangle shape or whatever. Now y'all like what she looking for, like looking for this. Hold up. Sponge me please, like any day now. Okay, y'all, obviously. Okay, sponge. Okay. All right. So now that we did that, I am going to go in with a powder, which is also from Fenty. Sorry, y'all. It's also from Fenty. Let's try not to waste this powder. Y'all saw that? Okay. There was a lot of, I think that's the only part. That's the only part I really don't like. See, like, come on now, you can't do that to me. Like, y'all let me know, y'all know what I'm saying. Like, why I gotta get everywhere though? Like, you ain't gotta do all that. You ain't gotta be like that. We supposed to be friends. You ain't supposed to be popping up in my face like that. Work with me, powder, work with me. We a team. We are a team, you know. So I have used the powder. Now, okay, so I have this great highlight. It's very cheap. It's nothing fancy. I got this from TJ Maxx and I love it. So we're gonna do that now. see it when I'm putting it on? Like, yeah, can you see that glow? Like, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Look at that glow, like, yes, yes, sis. Right there. Right there. And so, also gonna go take this and highlight right there under the brow. Okay. And still not done because I actually have to go in and I'm gonna take this. Hold on, y'all. I want to make sure y'all can see. I want to go on with this little pink right here. Y'all see all those cute colors? Okay. Okay, y'all, give me a minute. Alright, can y'all see that? Okay. And last, I'm just gonna go under my eye with this white eyeliner. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I really enjoyed being back and doing this look with y'all. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Please like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Y'all, like, come join the team. Come join the team. I really love y'all. I really miss y'all. But yeah, I'll see y'all later, and mwah.
Till I came up with my niggas, right or wrong, fair or right, you know what's up with me, nigga. Never change on my gang, yeah, I'm stuck with my